So today from standard 7 English medium, unit 9. Which unit? Unit 9. In unit 9 there is a poem. The poem name is Garden Snake. I have told you the story and explanation through the stanza wise. Have completed it. Now comes to the exercise MCQ. Here given the instruction multiple choice questions. So the first MCQ is, the poet thought that the snake. The poet thought about the snake. How? Option A was king cobra. Option B could bite and kill him. Option C would chase him. And option D would move towards the mongoose. So the poet thought that the snake could bite and kill him. When the poet saw the snake, he thought that the snake could bite and kill him. So the first MCQ answer is B. Now the second MCQ. The garden snake. Option A eats insects, lives in the garden, is venomous, and is afraid of human beings. So the garden snake, what the garden snake do? The garden snake, why come to eat insects? Come to the garden to eat insects. MCQ number 3. The mother told him. The poet's mother told the poet what? To stand still, to fight the snake, to hold the snake, not to be afraid. So the mother told to the poet not to be afraid of the garden snake. He could not do anything to you. Whose mother told? The poet's mother told to him. So D is the correct answer. Now comes to here objective type question. First, the poet ran away due to the presence of. Option A chameleon. Option second a monkey. Third a snake. 4 the beehive. So why did the poet run away? Who had come in the garden? So when the poet had come in the garden, he saw what? He saw the snake. He saw the snake. Option 3 is the correct answer. Presence of who? Presence of the snake. That is why the poet ran away from the garden. Now second, the snake rouses the sense of blank in the human beings. The snake rouses the sense of blank in the human beings. What? Fear, hatred, love, revenge. The snake rouses the sense. When the snake saw the human beings, they fear of humans. They fear of the humans. Both the fears, snake and the human beings. Okay? So first is the correct answer, fear. Now third, the mother told that a garden snake was. The mother told that a garden snake was dangerous, poisonous, harmless, or their ghost. So the poet's mother told about whom? About a garden snake. Garden snake was harmless. How? Garden snake was harmless. Who told? The poet's mother. Told about whom? Told about a garden snake. It was harmless. Now number 4. The poet learnt a lesson too. At last the poet learnt a lesson about what? Hit the snake, stand aside quietly, run away, or wait for the guest. So the poet learnt a lesson while seeing the what? Garden snake. What did he do? Stand aside quietly, and the garden snake moved their place. So the poet learnt a lesson about what? Stand aside quietly. Now number 5. The popular belief is that the popular belief is that the snake bite kills a human being. Second, fangs of the snake are dangerous. Third, snakes guard wealth. And fourth, both first and second, means snake bite kills a human being, and second, fangs of the snake are dangerous. So the popular belief is that about whom? About the snake. Snake bite and kills human beings. So first is the correct answer. That is the old belief. Popular belief about whom? About the snake. Now number 6. The term used for the movement of the snake is. The term used for the movements of the snake is wriggles, crawls, moves, both first and third. So the term used for the movement of the snake is option A, wriggles. Wriggles means slightly, लहरा कर चलता है जैसा. Okay, that was the movement of the snake. So students, these are the MCQs of this unit 9. Okay, which poem Garden Snake. Now comes to the short answer type questions. First question: why did the poet run away when he saw a snake? So this, let's see the answer. The poet ran away because he thought the snake was dangerous. Who thought? The poet thought. But when his mother, means the poet's mother, told him about the garden snake, it was harmless, huh? But the poet thought about a garden snake that it was dangerous. Who thought? The poet. The poet thought about the garden snake. Question number 2. What did the mother tell the poet about the snake from which he had run? When the poet see the what? Garden snake, he ran from the garden. When at that time his mother told what? Let's see. The mother told the poet that there was nothing to fear. There was nothing to fear. Fear about whom? Fear about the garden snake. She said that kind of snake was good. Kind of snake was good. It only ate the insects for food. Why? He had come here to eat the insect as its food. That is why he came here. So don't be fear of whom? Of the garden snake. Question number 3. What will the poet now do when he happens to see the snake again? When his mother told about the garden snake. So next time what he did not do? The poet will not be frightened. The poet will not be frightened. He decided that after hearing his mother instruction, he will not be frightened when he sees the snake next time, means again. he will stand aside and let the snake pass. When he saw the snake, he will stand aside and let the snake go, means pass. So students, these are the MCQs and question answer of the unit. I hope you understand about the MCQs and question answers, and you must write this MCQ and question answer in your notebook. I hope you understand about this MCQ and question answer. Thank you.